Today we're diving into LangSmith, an AI app monitoring platform that claims to simplify your development process. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore what it actually offers and whether it's worth your time. LangSmith is designed to streamline the monitoring and debugging of AI applications, making it easier for developers to track performance and issues in real time. Right off the bat, the user interface feels intuitive, which is a big plus for those who might not be tech savvy. The platform aims to provide insights into how your AI models are performing, helping you catch potential problems before they escalate. However, while it seems to cover the basics of monitoring, there are areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the specifics around integration with existing workflows aren't crystal clear. It's targeted at developers and data scientists, which is great, but I wonder how accessible it is for smaller teams or individual developers who may not have extensive resources. Overall, it feels like a solid tool, but some users might find parts of it lacking in detail or transparency. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, LangSmith offers a clean interface and the core functionality seems reliable for tracking AI application performance. It can definitely help developers save time and catch issues early on. On the downside, there are some frustrations. The integration process could use more guidance, especially for those who are less experienced. Moreover, there's a noticeable lack of customer feedback available, which raises some trust concerns. Pricing information is also somewhat elusive, making it hard for potential users to gauge if it fits their budget. This might deter smaller teams or solo developers who need clear cost expectations. Ultimately, while it has its strengths, it may not suit everyone. In conclusion, LangSmith is a decent AI monitoring platform for developers looking for streamlined performance tracking. However, if you're a smaller team or just starting out, you might want to explore alternatives that offer clearer guidance and transparency. Overall, it's worth a look, but proceed with a bit of caution.